Well, we just woke up. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock. Gotta pee. Right now we're just having our bananas for breakfast, and we have some like little baby bagels and cream cheese for later, but we're hoping to get into the park. You know, it's already a little after 8, but we want to get there relatively early, but not too early, to see if we can find some camp spots or campsites for later tonight. A bit of priority number 1, and then kind of exploring from then on.
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me.
So we just made it to the entrance of Yosemite. Let's spin around here so that we can see what's behind us. There's El Capitan. When we woke up this morning, up above Tuolumne Meadows, 8 miles east of Tuolumne Meadows, it was crystal clear. We're talking crystal clear. It could not have been any clearer. And then actually all up higher elevation Yosemite, Tuolumne Meadows was very, very, very smoke-free, and it was looking optimistic. However, once we got down here to the valley floor of Yosemite, the Ferguson fire, I guess, is creating quite a bit of smoke. So, you know, there's a little bit of smoke action going on, but I don't know if you can tell or not, but overall it's not too bad. I can't smell it, so that's a good sign. Here we are, and it is real nice out there.
So pretty.
But the smoke is actually kind of cleared.
Yeah, it depends on where you're at.
Slight bit of haze, but overall, not bad. I'll take it.
So today in Yosemite, as you know from the earlier footage, we were a little skeptical coming into the valley because it looked super smoky at first, but the further we got in, the less and less smoky it got, since most of the fires that are still kind of dwindling, but for the most part put out, are on the west side of the park. And on top of that, we were like, well, we'd love to get a camp spot on the valley floor, since all the hikes we want to do are on the valley floor. In order to get a campsite, you have to stop at the ranger station. And at the ranger station, their signs all said that all the campsites were full. Went in, asked them anyway, and they said that they had 2 spots available still. The North Pine, what was so it was just amazing. It was meant to be, obviously, for us to be here. Now we're eating mini bagels with whipped cream cheese.
Breakfast, finally getting around the breakfast.
And it's like 11 o'clock.
Well, we had a banana, but that was just to
11:22.
get us here.
Yeah. And there's puppies.
Okay, so we're about to start our hike in Yosemite. We're going the Mist Trail up to Vernal Falls. Oh, I smell Samantha's deodorant. She must be working hard. So, we're new to this walking and talking. I keep getting punched by Samantha because I'm almost hitting people, I guess, but I haven't even noticed. The river's pretty low, but we're just about to start uphill. How's it going, Samantha?
Tired. Legs, body's tired.
What's your heart rate doing?
I don't know. Oh wait, it said 165.
Samantha, how is your mental prep for this hike?
I was not prepped because Eric lied to me. He said it was a slow and easy uphill the whole time that I didn't even notice.
That's what we're doing, slow and easy. Come on, Samantha. How's the hike going, Samantha?
Good, I'm tired.
This is making it not a fun ride. Seriously, stop.
All right, we're on the final stretch. You can see the waterfalls raging back there. So usually the way Vernal Falls works is the water's coming all the way across there, and it's just solid white, and it rages all the way down. But as you can see, this time of year anyway, it's not quite as impressive.
You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor.
Alright, well, we didn't go to the very, very top because it's kind of unimpressive. We weren't even getting any mist. But but we went to the base.
If you know more, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We just finished the mist trail. We're back down in the valley on the flatland area, walking on a trail that takes us apparently back to our campground, which is nice because on the way out here we had to walk on the road and there were cars crossing and stuff and it was really annoying, but as you can see this is actually quite beautiful back here. And it's just following the river all the way back, and since our campsite is right next to the river, it'll take us there.
This
Anyway,
is probably the only part of the park that we've been so far where we haven't really seen anyone.
that trail was quite popular that we were just on.
Everywhere we've been so far has been popular enough. The fact that we haven't really seen anyone is kind of nice.
The plan when we get back to camp is we're gonna go jump in the river ourselves, because that was a sweat fest back there climbing that mountain, and the river sounds quite appealing. So we're gonna jump in and do that.
Yes, we were both
thoroughly cooled off.
It's great now. Now that we've taken a swim in the river that was just all, you know, snow melt, it was chilly, but very refreshing, especially after our hike. So it's been really nice just having some wine and cheese and crackers and prosciutto, and after this we're gonna go for a little walk to find some Wi-Fi.
We're walking to the formerly known Ahwahnee Hotel?
Ahwahnee Lodge. It's been
Ahwahnee
renamed,
Lodge.
according to the maps, it's been renamed the Majestic Yosemite Lodge.
Anyways, we're going there because we're hoping to get some Wi-Fi so that we can connect with some of our family and some of the people we're supposed to meet with tomorrow. We'll see. It's beautiful out right now, so even if we for some reason can't get to the Wi-Fi, it's a really nice stroll, so we'll see what happens.
It's weird, we almost feel like we have the park to ourselves. If you just like look around, it's like abandoned except for that Samantha back there. Look at that Samantha in her natural habitat. After being lost for a little bit and doubting we're going the right way because due to lack of civilization,
I was not doubting.
we think we have found the majestic Ahwahnee Lodge over here amongst the trees. If you look very closely, you might be able to see some stone. So good news is that we found the majestic Yosemite Lodge, and we're currently about to order some snacks and drinks. Samantha's frustrated, but this is her butt. There it is. So we've come across a shortcut. Oh boy. Oh no! Don't step on that big one, it sinks. Both my feet are wet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, Samantha. You ended up the same as me.
No, I didn't step on that one block because you're rushing me. It made me nervous.
No, my feet are drenched too. Don't even worry. Just closing up the pop top and closing all the windows because apparently the bears are super intense around here.
We don't want to find out firsthand. Good night.
All right, so I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I need to zoom out. So we're about to start. I feel like it zoomed in. Hang on a second. There we go. Okay, so